are moving to the southeast side of Ibiza, and we're going to completely ignore this massive spot on my face. We've been in the anchorage that we are in now for a few days with the westerly winds, etc., being very favorable. Over the next few days we have some northerly winds coming and some confusing swell, etc. So we're going to hide from it in the southeast corner of Ibiza. We've got a couple of anchorages in mind on the way, but I'll walk you through that as we go.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard our floating home ride-all. I'm Daria, this is Chris, and that's Jasper, and these are our three seaworthy dogs, Hachi, Luna, and Mimi. We're just an ordinary family navigating life one sail at a time. In June 2023, we left Scotland behind with no plan to return. We live, sail, and work full-time, all while cruising Europe, for now. Every wave tells a story, and every sail brings us closer to the unknown. We invite you to be part of our adventure as we share our experiences, insights, and the ups and downs of living life on a boat. So, sit back, relax, enjoy, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
So time to get our tent down, anchor up, and to get underway. Whilst Chris is getting the tent down, I'm going to quickly prep our sourdough for baking while we're underway. So with everything away, it's time to get our anchor up. And look how clear the water is. You can see where our chain lit.
7-8 meters deep here.
It's gorgeous. So today we are going to Ibiza. We're actually heading to the southeast part of the island. We've got a little bit of a northerly, northwesterly winds coming through in the next few days and kind of lasting for the next week or so. So we need to find some shelter at anchor. We've been in our anchorage for the last week almost. Just moved between the one here and the one 5 miles north of here. But we've had beautiful westerly winds and westerly sort of and southwesterly swells. So that's shifting. It's time to go.
So just waiting for Empress to get their anchor up. We've got our anchor up, just drifting about for a moment, enjoying what's left of Formentera. A beautiful place.
This is so ridiculously blue. Hachi, are we going somewhere new? Going to Ibiza? What do you think, Mimi? Gonna go party? And have all the breakfast and all the dinner every day, everywhere? Come on, give me a paw. Give me a paw for party. Yeah, paw for party. Good girl. Can I have a party paw? Give me a party paw. Yeah! And what about you? Can we have a party paw from you? Yes! Party paws all around. And my bread has finished baking. Wonderful! So we are off. We are slowly trickling towards Ibiza. We've got some wind. We've got about 10 knots of wind on the beam going up north. We're doing we're doing between 3.5 and 4 knots. We're kind of flicking up to 4.5, trickling away very slowly. But it's a beautiful day. It's absolutely calm and lovely out here. We've only got about 10 miles or so to go today, so it will be there. We'll be there fairly soon. Our autopilot is not working at all at this point. We have a new one on order coming to Ibiza. It should be there in the next couple of weeks. So it's 2 hours of hand steering for us today. But that's fine. We're truckling along, and yeah, looking forward to seeing what the new Anchorage has to offer, and enjoy another couple of days of exploring there before the weather turns again on Thursday and we have to make a move on to hide from easterlies by the looks of it. But weather is weather, and that might well change before then, as it so often does. So we'll see. Chris is yogoing up on deck, currently humping the mattress, stretching his old knees after 2 days of water maker fitting in the boat. Empress is flying along there, and we have positive waves just behind us as well, trickling along. I forgot how well wrecked the sails. We just had another couple of knots of wind. Come on, we're now doing, it's about more like 12 knots of wind, and our speed has gone up by an entire knot, so we're now doing 5 knots, which is a bit more bearable. Engine back on because we're almost here.
We spent a couple of days in Playa Talamanca waiting out the weather, preparing for Jasper's upcoming birthday party and exploring Ibiza Castle. But in no time, it was time to go yet again.
So we have left the anchorage at Playa Talamanca just over an hour ago. We are just approaching Formentera Gap. We're not far from the anchorage we first came to Formentera after we crossed from Cartagena. All the other kid boats are going to be arriving some later on, some tomorrow afternoon, for a 2 p.m. prompt start to the party. A 2 p.m. prompt start to the party for Jasper's birthday. It's quite a busy little gap here. There's ferries coming left, right and centre. And the swell is a little bit bonkers on that side and looks so incredibly flat on this side. We are expecting easterly winds and easterly swell, very light winds and very light swell. So the anchorage that we've chosen at Tierra de Plata is going to be very nicely sheltered. Empress is just behind us. We're towing their dinghy because we've got the girls on board. We needed some extra autopilots as our autopilot still hasn't arrived yet. And they're just prepping for the party, hot gluing some flowers onto hats and playing some Nintendos, of course. But yeah, we're almost here. Within the next hour we'll be anchored and ready for an afternoon drink. The following day, the party prep was in full go until... Okay, I think we are officially ready.
Have you ever seen 2 more extra guys? Can you game? Laughing and running, hey, hey.
And the setup continues with Michelle arriving. Scream happy birthday, everyone! Yay! Woo!
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz.
Clap, everybody! They live! Do you want a beer?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And till next time.